DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. Yeah man, gang, so where are you today? Yeah man, we're back with none other than Father Dippo himself, man, Mr. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, man. Yeah man, we're there with none other than Valiant, the one named GTKY. GTKY. Y'all, dad. Me no know. Give me that. No, you what? I don't know what. I'm trying to decipher GTKY. But anyway, gang, we're gonna find out now track. You see me, I say, yeah man, we're there with Valiant. Father Dippo himself. We never hold up the vibe much longer. Yeah, road to 3K. Hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? Do the right thing. Code is life, bro. Come on, road to 3K, man. Don't fight the bad man now. Hit the like and subscribe button. 3K away. Yeah man, gang. Valiant GTKY. Let's get it. And that's how you start off a video with bad gal night. That's how you start off a video. And the gal store the man there. How the blouse and skirt? And the gal store this.
Make your body job bounce. Make your body job bounce. Boom on the cocky and done. She say she's happy and done. Make your body job bounce.
Yes, mama. Yes, that is right.
Make your body job bounce. Boom on the cocky and done. She say she's happy.
All shapes, sizes, flavors, and colors.
And done. She go down a money well road. Figure broke. Your pussy feel good. What a texture. Me fi be your man.
Valiant, come out to your own video. Valiant, come out to your own video. Valiant, come out to the video of Valiant. Valiant, why are you in your own video, Valiant? You are not needed right now, Valiant. Move. Move. Big up the Dippo, but the Dippo boss. But dog, right there, you put too much girl there video, dog. You're not necessary no more, brother. Big up yourself, Valiant. Yeah, man.
Love for me because I'm a love mama casting. That body they fit up my with that 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Your head that come
love me stickers. I love me maca stick. How many blouse and skirt? Yeah man, big up who one there, big up your moms there. Oh gosh, look at the screen. Oh gosh. That is good though.
And you're lacking on my doors, can't come up back. And your body me a wine and a revolt that.
Yeah.
30 at the time when you turn over.
Yeah.
Make your body job boom.
30 at the time when you turn over. Don't make that go over your head.
Make your body job boom.
Yes, mama.
Boom on the cocky and done.
Yes, and done, mama. Yeah, man. Boom up on it. Girl never imi. No imitation around here. Yeah, man. Somehow imitation crab. Yeah, man. Imitation leather. You see me? Imitation everything, man. Fake everything, man.
She just a fall back on me. Love for me because I'm a love mama casting.
Yes.
That body they fit up my with that 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Your head that go mash up.
Yeah, man. Love me tickers and I love me maca stick. That body they fit up me that 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, mama. Oh, I'm tear, man. Nice one.
And you're lacking on my doors, can't come
Yes.
up. Your body me a wine and a revolt that. 6:30 at the time when you turn over.
Body, rev out, dad. Rev. Girl, yeah, man. All the good body girl them. Yeah, man. We got them from Good Pussy Avenue. Tight Hole Terrace, Buff Bay. Big up on the damn self. Good body girl in the man. Good body girl get things. You see me have to get treat nice. And get fuck rough. Treat nice and get fuck bad. Hey, yeah man, big up. Hey, GTKY. I know that gonna give me get the blow meaning it. But big up Valiant still. GTKY. Big up all the good body girl them. All of the yeah man. Big up all the tickers and the maca stick. Big up on the damn self. Yeah man. And the new yeah man, the tickers and the maca stick. Big up on the self, man. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man. Vibes, big up yourself. You see me vibes, that full of vibes, gang. Let me know anything more one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make him know say the dancing, you know. Yeah man. Also, gang. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, visuals. Hey, someone watch it sound like it visuals, you know. Something wrong. Something is wrong. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bad video, man. Valiant, big up yourself, dog. And put in the work. Hey, Valiant, me have a custody with no dog. I'm not too like the thing they do with Star Cash, you know, brother. Yeah, man. The thing that make you look lame, me G. Yeah, man. Make you look real lame, bro. Like, bring your shibble down your thing, brother. Yeah, do try boost up our career and try bring down your one dog. Hey man, any girl when you bring down yourself, you bring her up in a brother, and a good girl for your devil on in a brother. So if there's a little public stunt in a brother, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not talk, brother. What kind of thing that you afraid you not hold me up, think me afraid to talk. And then she can go on like say, yo, baby, you don't see me a call, I'm block everyone. Like, what kind of lame thing is that, bro? As a G, I'm supposed to get style like that, bro. Come on, man. Get it together, man. Come on, man. You don't see Cartel and them on there, I pull them stunned. Eh? You know see Mofada, I pull them stunned. You don't see Popcorn, I pull them stunned. You don't see Massacre. You don't see I do ya. You don't see Alka. You don't see them on there, pull them stunned. So can I stun that, dog? That was lame, bro. You know what I'm saying? Reclaim your thing, me G. Yeah, man, that was kind of a lame move. I'm not too like that one day. You see me, I say, but anyway, gang. Let me know anything about that one day. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Like you know, say, the dancing, you know. You see me, I say, let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Father, dip big up yourself. Yeah, man, GTKY, the girl, I'm gonna love the one here. You see me, I say, yeah, something nice for you in the winter for the girl, them shake up them body in the club. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Valiant, big up yourself, gang. You don't know, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.